Easy to use. This accessory features a 1/4 inch QC connection, providing a universal fit that is easy to hook up to most spray wands. More jets, more clean, less time. With 10x more coverage than a standard nozzle, the surface cleaner has 2 high-pressure, rotating jets which provide quick, streak-free cleaning and allow you to complete your pressure washing projects in a fraction of the time. High-quality materials and construction. The powder-coated steel shroud and stainless steel nozzles provide protection against corrosion. The shroud also helps to prevent overspray, keeping the user and surrounding areas drier. Great for residential and commercial projects. The 15-inch diameter makes cleaning large surfaces such as driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks and more quick and easy. Compatibility and power. This surface scrubber works with most gas-powered pressure washers with ratings between recommended minimum 2,200 psi and 2.3 GPM up to maximum of 3,700 psi and 3.4 GPM. Please note the surface cleaner is only for cold water use. Max temp 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Top reviews from the United States. Must have for cleaning large areas. My friend has had one of these units for about 2 years and she loves it. She does her driveway and stamped patio every year. I purchased one this year to clean my driveway, front porch, and sidewalks before I sealed them. Although the driveway is only 2 years old and not as dirty as some of the other reviews, you can see the difference it makes. There is no comparing this to standard power washing. This is so much more efficient. Took me a while to figure out a good method. Found it best to clean right to left and then pull it back over the area you clean. This allowed the dirty water to run down the driveway and not pool on the clean areas.